Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your ChatGPT account permanently. If this tutorial helps you, please subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX and like this video. First, open ChatGPT and log into your account. Now, click on your profile icon. From there, open Settings. Then, go to the Account section. Here, you will find the Delete Account option. Simply click on Delete Account. ChatGPT will now ask you to confirm this permanent action. So, choose Refresh Login. Now, log in back to your account. Then, click again to your profile icon and choose Settings. Then select Account again. Now scroll down again and choose Delete. Make sure that you have typed your email address over here and type the word delete over here. And finally, click on this Permanently Delete My Account. And done! Your ChatGPT account will be permanently removed. This is the fastest way to delete a ChatGPT account. Thanks for watching.